In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and customize your website using Wix's management tools. Let's get started. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you're new to Wix, you'll need to create an account first. This login step is crucial as it gives you access to your site's dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're in, go ahead and click on Edit Site. This is your entry point into the Wix editor, where you'll be able to update and design every aspect of your website according to your needs. Once you're in the editor, look to the left menu and click on plus add apps. This functionality allows you to incorporate additional Wix applications that enhance your website's functionality. Today we're focusing on adding Wix bookings. So next, use the search bar to find Wix bookings. This app is a game changer for businesses looking to manage appointments and bookings directly from their site. After locating Wix bookings, click Add to Site. This will automatically generate a bookings page for your site, simplifying how your clients can schedule appointments with you. The app setup doesn't stop at installation. Configuring your site to match your business needs is next. Go to your dashboard and navigate to Booking Services. Here, you're going to update your business information like your business name, operating hours, and location. Make sure to sync your calendar if necessary. This ensures seamless integration if you're using platforms like Google or Outlook. Next, it's time to add and customize services. In the Wix Bookings dashboard, click on Add New Service. Here, you will select the type of service you offer. Options include one-on-one appointments, group sessions, or even courses. Make sure to fill in the service details, its name, a brief description, duration, price, staff assigned, and preferred location. Adding an image or icon ups the visual appeal of your services list. Let's move on to setting up staff and availability. Head over to staff members in the dashboard. Add each team member's name, photo, and a short biography. This personal touch gives clients a sense of connection and professionalism. Allocate specific services to the staff and outline their availability, including working hours and break times. Then click on Settings to delve into important configurations like accepting payments. Connect a suitable payment provider such as Wix Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. Choose your preferred payment method, whether full payment upfront, deposits, or in-person payments. You can also customize the booking form here, adding fields for essential details such as phone number and special preferences. Before wrapping up, automate confirmations and reminders through the dashboard's automation section. This allows you to send email confirmations immediately after bookings and set up SMS or email reminders. Tailor these messages so they reflect your brand while providing essential information to your customers. Finally, click on Preview to review your site changes, ensuring that everything appears just right. Once satisfied, hit Publish to make these updates live to visitors. Congratulations, you've successfully enhanced your Wix website. Click Done, and with that, your updated website is open for business. Thank you for watching, and happy site managing with Wix.